If you've watched countless trading videos, tried multiple strategies, and still aren't profitable, this video is for you. It's frustrating to put in the time and not see results. Many traders struggle with this cycle. The problem isn't that you're not learning enough. The problem is that you're learning the wrong things in the wrong order. Today, I'll show you the real reasons traders stay stuck and how profitable traders escape this frustrating cycle. Let's dive into Section 1, Information Overload. This is where most traders begin to fail. Most traders fail because they consume too much information, which leads to confusion, hesitation, and inconsistency in their trading. One day it's scalping, the next it's ICT, then indicators, and then price action. This constant jumping creates massive inconsistency. Profitable traders don't know everything. They master one approach deeply, allowing them to trade with clarity and conviction. Moving on to Section 2, strategy is only 20%. This is a crucial mindset shift for long-term success. Here's the truth no one tells you. A strategy alone will not make you profitable. It's just a small part of the equation. What actually matters are risk management, solid execution, strict discipline, and day-to-day consistency. These are the profit drivers. Section 3, why your risk is killing you. This often separates those who grow their capital from those who blow up their accounts. Most beginners focus on maximizing profits. Professionals, however, focus intensely on loss control and capital protection first. Common mistakes include risking too much per trade, increasing your lot size after losses, or moving your stop loss emotionally. Professionals only risk 1 to 2% per trade. This strategy ensures they survive long enough to capitalize and grow their account over time. Finally, Section 4, the real goal of trading. Let's redefine what success truly looks like in this game. Your goal is not winning every single trade, nor is it getting rich fast in a short period of time. These are dangerous targets. Your real goals are consistency, protecting your capital, and maintaining emotional control. Once you stop chasing money, money starts following. If you want tools that specifically help you stay disciplined and avoid emotionally driven bad trades, this next part is important. I personally recommend VIP indicators. These tools are designed to remove confusion, especially for beginners. They help you clearly identify trend direction, confirm momentum, avoid low-quality setups, and ultimately trade with more confidence and less stress. Ready to trade smarter? Check out VIP indicators using my affiliate link in the description below.